This e-learning course will empower you to apply reliability-centered maintenance (RCM) principles to real-world assets. You'll learn how to identify functional failures, assess risks, and design maintenance strategies that improve asset performance. The course will help you influence operations and maintenance teams, lead reliability initiatives, and become a change agent in your organization. RCM is essential for optimizing asset reliability and safety. You'll discover how to balance preventive, predictive, and corrective maintenance to reduce downtime and improve decision-making. The knowledge gained will help you align maintenance strategies with business goals, reduce costs, and enhance operational efficiency. Without RCM knowledge, organizations face increased equipment failures, unplanned outages, and inefficient maintenance spending. Teams may rely on reactive approaches that compromise safety and productivity. Poor reliability practices can lead to environmental incidents, regulatory non-compliance, and reputational damage. RCM directly impacts profitability and performance. Effective reliability strategies can reduce maintenance costs by 20 to 30%, extend asset life by 25 to 40%, and improve production uptime. RCM helps teams prioritize resources, eliminate waste, and make data-driven decisions that support long-term business success. Safety is at the heart of RCM. By identifying and mitigating failure risks, RCM helps prevent incidents that could harm people, the environment, or the facility. Structured reliability practices reduce human error, improve hazard recognition, and ensure compliance with safety standards. Your ability to apply RCM protects your team and strengthens your safety culture. This e-learning course discusses the topics shown here.